What if instead of asking AI to design your website, you first collect the best sections from Pinterest and turn every one of them into a Markdown blueprint, and then let Gemini build the front end for you. And that's exactly what these files are. Each Markdown files represents one section of the website, like the header, about section, features section, testimonial section, and the footer section. And once everything was documented, I gave it all to Gemini 3.5 to generate the complete website. And today I'm going to show you the step-by-step workflow I used to create this exact website. So let's get started. So first let's find ideas for each section. I mean, I'm talking about the header section, the hero section, the about section, the features section, testimonial section, and footer section. Let's find ideas for each section. For that, we're going to be using Pinterest. So here I'm going to just search something like header design and then find a header you really like. I found this one. I really like how this header is arranged, and I like the hero section. So let's just pick this one. For that, you can either screenshot this or you can just download it. And we got ourselves a header and a hero section, and we're gonna be using Google AI Studio to create the implementation plan for the header. So here I'm gonna just paste the prompt, and then I will add the screenshot we download from Pinterest. So this only gonna collect data of the header and so this is the result, and all I'm gonna do is just copy in Markdown and go to Visual Code Studio and paste it. This is our details of header section, and I'm gonna just save it. Now let's create the implementation plan for the hero section. Okay, let's use the same image, paste the prompt, add the screenshot, I mean the image, and we got the result. And here just do the same thing. Go to the three dot and copy as Markdown. It's rainy here actually. It's pouring down. Super moody climate. Yeah. Anyway, copy, then go to Visual Code Studio and to our hero implementation.md file and paste it and save it. Now let's find the ideas for about section. So something like about section design website. Okay, and then just scroll down and find something that really grab your attention. Let's choose this idea, and this time I'm gonna just screenshot it, select the area. So this is where the about section starts. So and capture, and this is our about section, download. And now let's create an implementation plan for about section. Paste the prompt, add the screenshot and enter, and we got the result. Just copy as Markdown, paste it and save. Now let's find the ideas for features implementation plan.md file, and then search something like features section UI, and then just explore and find something. Okay, I've found this one, and we're gonna download this and create implementation plan. Paste the prompt, and you can find all the prompt I'm using in the description. Grab that, and also there is a guide to how to create the prompts. Also grab that. Okay, now add the screenshot, I mean the image we download from Pinterest, and enter. Copy as Markdown and paste it right over here and save it. Next, testimonial section. Again, go to Pinterest, search testimonials, and here find a cool testimonial design. And I found this, and I really like how everything is structured here. I'm gonna just download it, paste the prompt, add the image, and then enter. Then copy as Markdown, paste it right over here, and then save it. Go to Pinterest again and search footer design. Wait, this one, definitely this one. Download. Okay, now let's create an implementation plan. Paste the prompt, add the image, and then just enter. So this is our result, and just copy as Markdown, paste it right over here, and then okay, the sections are done. Now we need to create a blueprint which contains all the details of the website we're gonna create. Now let's create a new file, save as blueprint. Go here and paste the prompt. It's a master prompt that will create the blueprint. For that we need to add two things: logo name. So I'm gonna just say retro. It's a random name I thought of, and then I'm gonna just find a color theme, website palette. So how about we use this color palette? Let's choose this one, attach that. Let's add the Markdown files. Done. Now let's just enter, and we got the blueprint. Copy as Markdown, Visual Code Studio, and paste it. So these are the details. Now I'm gonna just save it. Okay, now we got all the assets. Next step is creating the front end. I mean, make use of this all the Markdown files. Let's go to app, and here you need to make sure you are using Gemini 3.5 Flash and React, and also we're gonna remove these instructions, reset, and then upload that blueprint so that Gemini can get more data. I'm gonna just save it, and then I'm gonna just paste the prompt, and then I'm gonna add all the data we have collected so far, I mean all the Markdown files. Now just enter, and we got the result. I mean, just let's just full screen it, and this is our hero section, and we need to improve the hero section. Let's do that. So this is our hero section should be look like. So I'm gonna just download this, and I have created this image using AI, I mean ChatGPT, and here I'm gonna just close this full screen, paste the prompt, and add the reference image in the image we created. Enter. We got the result. Full screen it, and it looks super clean now. And when we scroll down, these are sections. And now it's pretty cool. I mean, I really like everything about this website now. Now, shall we add a animation in our hero section? For that, let's go to Pinterest and search something like it's an orange themes, right? So let's find orange later background, orange fantasy aesthetic. Pick one you really like. Okay, I have found this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an animation using this. Download this image, go to flow, new project. First upload the reference image we had downloaded, and then just paste the prompt, add to prompt, and then enter, and then select one image, and I'm gonna just select this one, and then just paste the prompt and add the reference image we had downloaded, and then just enter, and then just come over here, videos, frames, and then add the start frame. So this is our start frame, and then paste the prompt again, and then after load, add the end frame. Okay, it's loaded actually. End frame, let's add end frame, and then create the video. And we got the result, and so this is not a firefly. This is definitely a butterfly. Okay, and okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna select this one because it feels natural. Now just download this one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert this video to image sequence using isGIF, and then upload to our code base. So I will come back after finishing that. First, let's make the hero section flexible for the change. Send the prompt. After that, let's just execute. Okay, send the prompt, and it's done. The one thing is missing is the quality of the video, and yeah, you can add 4K videos in the hero section to make it even look premium. So this is our hero section, and our about section, our feature section, our testimonial section, and footer. Okay, and that's how easy to build section by section to create a wonderful website for your clients or anyone you want. And that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in next video. Thank you for watching.